All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Right as I was starting to record this video, yeah, I got an update that the device is getting a software update, and it's pretty much going to the December patch, even though we're almost through December. But the fact of the matter is, I wanted to address this issue right here that has been going on with my OnePlus Open since I did the November security patch. The November security patch has this error where all my icons keep disappearing. It is very strange and very frustrating at that. But if you're having this problem also, please let me know in the comments. But I have to keep adding my icons back to the desktop area. And it's a little frustrating because I don't know when this is going to happen. I get ready to go to my phone and it's erasing all of the icons that are on the home page. So I have to do this right. I have to do this right here. And put them back every time, man. And it's extremely frustrating to keep doing this, but it in fact is happening. So if you're having this problem, definitely let me know in the comments, because it just so happened that I was getting ready to start recording this video, and then it popped up saying, hey, you've got a software update. But I'm having to put all of my icons back every time this happens, and it is extremely frustrating. It just randomly will erase stuff. And I don't know why. I don't know why it's doing that. Ever since I did the November patch, I wanted to wait to make sure it was happening and that I could replicate it, because the first time it happened, I was unsure. I was like, I said, nah, maybe I did something. So I reboot the phone and they didn't come back. So I ended up going back in and setting them up again. And then after it's happened 3 times or maybe 4 times since that November patch. And now I'm like, wait a minute, something's going on. And as soon as I turn the camera on to record this video, the December patch pops up. So I'm wondering if this December patch will fix this issue. As you saw there, the security patch is downloading right now, and it's getting installed as we speak. It just so happened it worked out like that. It says it improves stability, improves both touch control algorithm for better user experience, reduces power, blah, blah, blah. It's got all these different things for the December patch. And it fixes shutter lag issue. I never had a shutter lag issue, so I guess. When the nightscape toggle fixes issue where retouch filters, okay. Fixes issue where the main screen might get stuck when you turn on the dual preview, okay, no. So it's not saying anything about my issue. So a little frustrating, that this is happening, but it is happening. And so if in fact you're having this issue with your OnePlus Open, definitely tell me in the comments. And if you're not having this issue, were you having any of the issues listed in this security patch right here that they're talking about right here? Improved stability is such a vague comment or statement to put in a security patch. It's too broad, it's too open, and you don't know what they're actually fixing. But I can guarantee you that my device has been losing icons every time I freaking turn the screen on. Sometimes, like, I leave the device on, I reboot sometimes once, every week or so, or sometimes every 48 hours, depending on if I want to clear up resources to just get a fresh start. But this is a little agitating right here, and I have no idea why it's doing it. So again, I am on the security patch after this video. As you can see there, it's downloaded, it's optimizing the device right now. So pretty strange problem to have, but this is software and it can fail. So if yours is failing, definitely let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to have this conversation with you to try to figure out if some of us are experiencing the same thing. So it's your man Jay, not going to drag this out anymore. Hopefully this update takes care of that issue, even though it's saying, it's not listed as something that's being fixed here. But I'm definitely getting frustrated now, because after the 4th time, I'm like, I gotta talk about this, because I'm gonna report things to you when things are going wrong on devices. So that's my duty, to report it to you. Just because I like a device, no device is exempt from getting the truth put out there on this channel. And I really hope that none of you guys are having these problems or whatever. I hope you guys are just having a good run with yours. And man, I'm agitated. I don't know if you can hear my voice. I'm a little agitated. Yeah, I'm a little agitated. But nonetheless, there it is, the OnePlus Open. I'm getting an update right now, and I will follow up again if this issue continues to happen. I'm not gonna send it to OnePlus, or I'm gonna factory reset if it keeps doing it. Is it the launcher? I tried to take a screenshot of the message that I was getting about the launcher, but I couldn't catch it in time because I wasn't prepared. You know what I mean? So the icons are there now, but I tried to catch it gave me a screenshot, or it gave me a pop-up saying launcher failure or something, some message. But nonetheless, I am out of here. If you're having this problem, be sure to report it down below in the comment section, or any problems that you guys are having that I'm not describing. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.